If you've been struggling to share or present your screen in Google Meet, make sure that you watch this tutorial to understand how. The first thing to do is to come over to Google Meet and then input the link that you are supposed to use to join the meeting, and then you click on join meeting. Over here in the meeting, if you've been asked to share your screen, navigate your mouse to this small icon that says share screen. You select it. In case you want to share a particular Chrome browser or a tab, a Chrome tab, you go ahead with this. If you want to select window means a particular window and your entire screen. If you're not sure of which parts that you are supposed to share or the type of screen, the part of the screen that you're supposed to share, make sure to always select entire screen to be on the safer side. After clicking on share, you make sure to hide this so that nobody sees it. And when you click, you navigate your mouse to this, you see something like this, which should indicate that you are sharing your screen. Now, if I should open a new tab, whatever I will be presenting on this tab will be showing on my screen, as you can see over here. So if I should open anything from here, let me say Figma, I open Figma, you can see that it's showing my screen. So the people or the guests in the meeting can also see your screen as you present. After you are done with your presentation, in case you want to stop presenting, you come back to the same icon, you click on it and select stop presenting, and then it would stop your presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps.